Okay, so this is Tia, who's just done her first clients today on the Permanent Makeup Startup course. So Tia, we didn't get a chance to speak to you yesterday. We were still practicing on all dummy heads and the flat skins and things like that. And then today we had a couple of clients in, did a few different treatments, brows and liner and what have you. So how was it working on the very first client that you've ever done?
Easier than the fake skin.
Yeah?
I was really nervous at first. It's actually not as bad as what you think.
So why do you think it was easier to work with a person than an actual, like the skins?
You can just, I don't know.
Just easier, you felt?
Yeah, and you can like move their skin about.
Yeah.
The fake skin's just sat there and...
A bit more interesting, I suppose.
Yeah.
Excellent. So we had a younger client in this morning who had brows and liner, and then we just finished off with a lady who came in this afternoon, all brand new clients we've never seen before, and then she just had her brows done, and actually I just spoke to her on the way out. She wants to get her liner done as well now. So you obviously must have done a good job.
Yeah.
So how was it working on different sort of types of skin and different age groups as well?
You can definitely tell the difference.
Yeah.
When they're a bit older, you have to pull them more, and you learn when they're talking more, you get a firmer grip. So
right, okay.
Quite quick.
Oh, excellent. So
Yeah.
is it quite useful sort of just being yourself in the class, just you and Katy, where you can sort of listen to those little tips, I suppose?
Yeah, definitely. You pick up on a lot more.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And did you think you'd be sort of doing real life clients in just a few days of training?
No, I wouldn't believe it if you told me.
Excellent. And how have you found Kate's training style overall, sort of mixing it up with sort of computer-based work, with practice work, with live models?
Yeah.
Has it sort of started to sink in now?
Yeah, definitely. It's really helped.
Excellent. Well, we'll look forward to catching up when you finish up tomorrow, and have a good night's sleep tonight.
Thank you.
Brilliant. Cheers, dear.
See you later.